Welcome to today's news. Directorate of Elementary Education (DEE) Assam has released two separate advertisements for the recruitment of 4,500 lower primary and upper primary school teachers. The online registration process for these posts will begin on February 15 and end on March 31 at dee.assam.gov.in. Vacancy details: Assistant teacher post at lower primary schools, 2,900 vacancy. Assistant teacher, science teacher and Hindi teacher at upper primary school, 1,600 vacancy. Candidates who have passed A-TET or C-TET can apply. The language 1 or language 2 of C-TET or A-TET must match the medium of instruction of the school where they want to apply. Candidates should be at least 18 years and not more than 40 years old on January 1. Relaxation in the upper age limit will be provided to reserved category candidates. DEE Assam Teacher Recruitment 2024 eligibility criteria for LPU schools: assistant teacher for lower primary school, higher secondary or senior secondary with at least 50% mark, 5% of marks secured in higher secondary or senior secondary or equivalent examination, 2-year diploma in elementary education, 5% of marks secured in diploma in elementary education or bachelor of elementary education examination or diploma in education special education. Assam TET or Central TET for lower primary, 85% of marks secured in teachers eligibility test for lower primary schools. Non-essential qualification: NCC certificate, 5 marks for C certificate and 3 marks for B certificate or 5 marks for participation achievement in recognized sports at national level or beyond representing state or nation, or 5 marks for participation achievement in recognized fine arts and cultural activities representing state at national level or beyond representing state or nation. 5 marks even if the candidates possess all the 3 qualifications or achieve eligibility, age limit, selection process and more related details. Candidates are advised to visit the official website of DEE Assam.
For more latest news, career, job, exam, question papers, notes and study materials, visit the website https://studyforsure.com.
Thank you.